Ready?
Yeah.
Jah give me the health and keep me strong. Protect me from the bad mind and the envy and the wrong. No for them I try fight me down. But Jah you alone that keep me, yes, to keep me strong. Jah give me the health and keep me strong. Protect me from the bad mind and the envy and the wrong. But no for them I try fight me down. But Jah you alone that keep me, yes, to keep me. Jah give me the health and give me the strength and give me the faith. Give me the knowledge, power, the courage, time to praise your holy name. Yes, me really care about bad mind of you say. So me go on down for me knees and me and pray. Lord, forgive me for my sins and all my wrongdoings. Dealing with guns and drugs is putting us down. Forgive us for these things. I was always on the corner with the coke and marijuana, but no more change my life. So please forgive me, Jah. And all when the weak your fights with wrong. No, cause Jah the one who keep us yes and keep us strong. Yes, the Father teaches right from wrong, and that is why He always wear the crown. So Jah keep us strong and bless our nation. Help all the mothers raise the youth, stand for the next generation. We pray that there will be no more separation. Jah keep on blessing us and give me the inspiration. Jah give me the health and keep me strong. You don't know.